Inflatable tents offer fast, stress-free setup with no poles, just pump and camp. Ideal for beginners and families, they provide spacious interiors, excellent ventilation, and strong weather resistance. Many models feature waterproof fabric, UV protection, and even stove jacks or AC ports for all-season comfort. Lightweight yet durable, they're easy to transport and perfect for group adventures. If you want more time enjoying the outdoors and less time setting up, inflatable tents are a smart, modern camping solution. So, let's get started. Number 5. FanttikOutdoor Instant Cabin Tent. Quick setup, spacious design, and all-weather reliability. This cabin tent is built for families and groups who want a roomy, durable, and easy-to-set-up shelter for their adventures. Measuring 216 by 120 inches, it comfortably fits up to 12 people by industry standards, with space for 3 queen air mattresses and extra room for movement. The 80-inch peak height offers 3 to 4 times more headroom than basic tents, allowing you to walk upright with ease. A double-door design ensures convenient access, while a zipper divider creates up to 3 separate rooms for privacy. Setup is a breeze thanks to pre-installed poles and a ready-to-go tent body. 2 people can have it pitched in just 90 seconds. This quick installation is perfect for beginners who want more time to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Engineered for the elements, the Fantik tent combines a waterproof fabric, removable canopy, strong camping pegs, and adjustable ropes for stability in strong winds. A rain leak prevention system at the bottom ensures the interior stays dry, even in heavy rain. Ventilation is excellent with mesh windows on all 4 sides, floor vents, and a mesh ceiling that not only keeps the tent cool, but also lets you stargaze at night. Durability is at the core of its design, with top-quality SBS zippers, fine B3 mesh, and a sturdy carbon frame featuring protective sleeves for long-lasting use. With its generous size, rapid setup, and dependable weather protection, the FanttikOutdoor Instant Cabin Tent is a versatile choice for family camping, group outings, and multi-day adventures in the great outdoors. The next is Number 4. KTT Extra Large Family Cabin Tent. A spacious comfort for 10 to 14 campers. This cabin tent is designed for campers who value space, comfort, and hands-on setup. This is not an automatic pop-up tent. It requires manual assembly, making it ideal for those who enjoy a hands-on approach. While setup takes longer than instant tents, it rewards you with superior stability when properly staked and roped. Measuring 14 ft multiplied by 10 ft with a 6.58 feet height, it offers enough room for 4 full-size air mattresses, or up to 12 people. The straight wall design maximizes interior space, allowing you to move around comfortably. With 2 rooms, 3 doors, and 3 mesh windows, the tent provides excellent ventilation and privacy. Inside, you'll find 8 top corner hooks and a middle hook for hanging lights or gear. Made from durable Oxford polyester and pay-coated polyester flooring, the tent withstands outdoor conditions while keeping you dry. The package includes repair patches, pull joints, and buckles for added convenience. A standout feature is its awning capability. Thanks to 2 included poles, the front door curtain can be extended to create a shaded outdoor space for relaxing or playing. This thoughtful addition enhances versatility, making it perfect for family gatherings. For best results, follow setup instructions carefully. Lay a mat under the tent to protect the floor, and position the short roof pole beneath the 2 long ones. Avoid placing it on sharp or uneven ground. With its generous size, functional layout, and strong materials, the KTT Extra Large Tent is a great choice for large families or groups who want a reliable, spacious shelter for extended outdoor adventures. The next is Number 3. Ytaoeo Inflatable Camping Tent. Quick setup, spacious comfort, and all-season versatility. This inflatable camping tent combines innovative design, durability, and comfort to deliver an exceptional outdoor shelter for families and groups. Perfect for 6 to 8 people, it's built to handle all seasons while providing a roomy and hassle-free camping experience. Constructed from premium Oxford fabric with PU 3000 waterproofing and UPF 50+ sun protection, the tent shields you from heavy rain, harsh sunlight, and harmful UV rays. Measuring 13 ft multiplied by 9 ft with a 6.5 feet center height, it offers ample space for adults to stand and move comfortably, ideal for long stays in the wild. Setting up is effortless thanks to the included high-efficiency air pump. With no poles to assemble, you can inflate the tent in just 5 minutes, making it perfect for beginners or those who value quick, stress-free setups. The dual-door design ensures easy entry and exit, while 4 large mesh windows provide excellent ventilation and bug-free comfort. Whether you're camping in the heat or enjoying cool evenings, airflow remains optimal. One of its standout features is the stove jack and AC port, enabling safe use of a wood stove in colder climates or a portable AC in hot conditions. This adaptability transforms the Ytaoeo tent into a true all-weather shelter, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer. With rugged construction, intelligent features, and all-season readiness, the Ytaoeo inflatable tent offers a perfect balance of comfort and durability. It's more than just a place to sleep. It's a reliable home base for your outdoor adventures, ensuring you can camp in comfort, no matter the season. The next is Number 2. Core Instant Cabin Tent with LED lights, spacious, lighted comfort for family camping. The Core Instant Cabin Tent is a perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and functionality for families and large groups. Designed to accommodate between 6 to 12 people, this tent offers plenty of space and features that enhance your camping experience. Its built-in LED lighting system, integrated into the ceiling poles, provides 3 adjustable brightness levels, high, low, and night light, controlled by an easy-to-use wall switch. This eliminates the need for separate lanterns, ensuring well-lit evenings and cozy nights. Thanks to instant pop-up technology with pre-attached poles, setup takes just 2 minutes or less, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The tent measures 14 by 9 feet with a 78-inch center height, fitting up to 2 queen-size air beds. It comfortably accommodates 4 people with gear or up to 9 without gear, making it versatile for different group sizes. The H20 block technology, with 1,200 mm water-resistant fabric, a fully taped rainfly, sealed seams, and fully zipped windows, ensures reliable weather protection. For added stability, guy lines and steel stakes are included. Inside, storage pockets keep small items organized and off the floor, maintaining a clutter-free space. The adjustable ventilation system brings in cool air from lower vents while allowing hot air to escape through the mesh ceiling, keeping the interior comfortable in varying weather conditions. With its quick setup, integrated lighting, spacious layout, and all-weather protection, the Core Instant Cabin Tent is a dependable choice for campers who value both practicality and comfort. It's the ultimate family tent for memorable camping adventures. The next is Number 1. Coleman Instant Tent is spacious, weatherproof, and ready in 1 minute. The Coleman Instant Tent is the perfect solution for campers seeking speed, comfort, and durability in one package. Designed to accommodate groups from 4 to 10 people, this tent features pre-attached poles that make setup effortless, ready in as fast as 1 minute. Whether for a weekend getaway or an extended outdoor adventure, this tent provides a hassle-free shelter with maximum comfort. A screen porch adds 35% more space compared to similar 6-person dome tents, offering a bug-free lounging area and extra storage for gear. The design also helps reduce heat inside, making it comfortable to rest any time of day. Coleman's trusted WeatherTech system, with welded corners and inverted seams, keeps rain out, while the included rainfly offers extra weather protection for unpredictable conditions. For nighttime safety, reflective Alumilane guy lines enhance visibility, reducing tripping hazards. Inside, the E-port allows you to bring electrical power in for lights, fans, or charging devices. The room divider creates privacy when needed, making it great for families or groups. Measuring 14 by 10 feet with a center height of 6 feet 7 in, this tent offers generous headroom and floor space for comfortable movement. When it's time to pack up, the included carry bag makes transport and storage simple. With its combination of quick setup, roomy design, and weatherproof construction, the Coleman Instant Tent is a reliable choice for campers who want more time enjoying the outdoors and less time struggling with setup. It's an all-in-one shelter that delivers comfort, convenience, and protection, perfect for your next adventure. So this is the best option for you to buy.